Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack, and this is how to view deleted messages in Messenger. So guys, to do this process, first thing is just simply open up the Facebook into your Chrome, and after that, select the three lines on the top right corner, and here go to Settings and Privacy. Once you are here, go for the Settings tab over here. Now, here on the Settings tab, you just simply go for see more in Account Center at the very top, and it will redirect you over here. Go to your information and permissions. From here, tap on Export your information, and now tap on Create Export. Select your Facebook account, export to device, and from here, you will have an option if you scroll down below, date or range. So tap on the date range and select the date range that you want to see the deleted messages to. And the most important part about this is selecting customize information. From here, as you can see, you will have multiple options. So make sure to uncheck everything, guys, and only leave the messages. And from here, it will take some time. Now, once you have unchecked all, just simply select save and select start export. From here, provide your password to continue. And from here, guys, it will look something like this. And our information is being prepared, as you can see over here. And when it is done, we should be able to download the information that we have selected, like our messages. And from here, since it is still pending, I only have the cancel button. But if it's done, I should be able to see the download button, and we should be able to download the messages and see through the deleted messages. And there you go.